Best practice for data management. Identifying patterns and trends is an important part of collecting HR data. By analyzing HR data over time, HR leaders can identify patterns and trends that can provide valuable insights into employee performance, engagement, and other key HR metrics. Here are some strategies for identifying patterns and trends in HR data. Number one, use data visualization tools. HR data can be complex and difficult to understand. Data visualization tools such as graphs, charts, and dashboards can help HR leaders quickly and easily identify patterns and trends in the data. These tools can also be used to communicate the data to other stakeholders such as senior management or department heads. Number two, compare data turnover time. By comparing data turnover time, HR leader can identify trends and changes in employee performance, engagement, and other key HR metrics. For example, comparing turnover rates over several years can help HR leader identify whether HR turnover is increasing or decreasing, or whether HR initiatives are having a positive impact. Number three, compare data across departments or teams. Comparing HR data across departments or teams can help identify patterns and trends that may be specific to certain areas of the organization. For example, comparing employee engagement data across different departments can help identify which departments may need additional support or resources. Number four, use statistical analysis. Statistical analysis can be used to identify patterns and trends in HR data. This involves analyzing the data using statistical techniques to identify relationship and correlation between different variables. This can help HR leaders identify which HR metrics have the greatest impact on organizational performance and which initiatives are most effective. Conduct root cause analysis. When identifying patterns and trends in HR data, it is important to understand the root cause of data. Root cause analysis involves digging deeper into data to identify the underlying causes or specific trends or patterns. This can help HR leaders develop more effective strategies to address the underlying issues. In conclusion, identifying patterns and trends in HR data is an essential part of human resources management. By analyzing HR data over time, HR leader can gain valuable insights into employees' performance, engagement, and other key HR metrics. This information can be used to develop more effective HR strategies, improve employee performance and engagement, and support the organization's overall goals. By using data visualization tools, comparing data over time and across departments, conducting statistical analysis, and conducting root cause analysis, HR leaders can identify patterns and trends in HR data and use this information to make informed decisions that support the organization's success. Thanks for watching. See you in our next class.